Hi, this is Lit from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2006 Subaru Liberty, stock number 6006. This ran from 09 2003 to 08 2009. It is an EJ22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is an EJ22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 17-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Left front door 2 dents. Left rear door 4 dents. Left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.